Hey, what's up guys, this is a place where we have left last time, and in this class we'll be looking at the introduction of the hostinger. Okay, so this is the definition of the hostinger. You can go through this is not important, but currently the thing which is important is the what we can do with the help of the hostinger. Okay, so first of all, you have to take your domain name, that is the name of your website which you want to build. If you're just going to the pricing, over here you will see the price, like what is the cost of the domain name and what is the cost of the web hosting, and you will get this price. Okay, so this is the single web hosting. That means you can host only one website, and if you are taking this plan, you can host multiple website up to this 100 websites. And this is the monthly package. Okay, you have to pay 150 rupees per month, and if you have only one website, then you have to pay rupees 79 rupees per month. Okay, and these are some of the features, like you will be able to host only one website, then you will get the 30 GB of storage. 30 GB of storage means this is the amount of the storage which your website can have. Then this is the minimum of around 10,000 visitors of load that your website can take. Then you can have only one email account. You will get one SSL certificate. I'll tell you what is this SSL certificate and all in the future. And you will not have the free domain. You have to buy free domain. I'll tell you the difference. Okay, give me some time. And these are some of the other necessary things. And over here, if you take this package, you will be able to have, or you will be able to host 100 websites. Then this is the 100 GB of the storage you will get. Then it can bear the load of 25,000 visitors per month. Then you will get a free email, free SSL, free domain. Free domain in the sense, I have told you a few minutes earlier that this is the domain name. If you take this plan, then you don't have to pay separately for this domain name. You will get for free of cost over here. You will get free SSL certificate. SSL certificate is basically required if you want to make your website this hack proof. That means you will get one SSL certificate which is required if you want to accept payments online and all, and this will also protect your website from getting hacked and all. Okay, and you will get unlimited bandwidth. You will be able to manage with the WordPress. Then the WordPress acceleration is there. That means your website will be able to load faster and all. Then 30 days money back guarantee is there. Then the unlimited database, then the git access, SSH access, etc, etc. Okay, from my point of view, since you are a beginner, if you want to just practice building the website and all, then this is the best plan for you all. But from my point of view, you should go for this one, because even I am having my website and I have taken this plan. Okay, so this is the best plan from my point of view. You can just buy this plan, and you will also get one this domain name for free. And now let me just tell you all how to take this domain name. Okay, just click on this, and first of all you have to check whether the name which you want is available or not. Okay, so first of all you have to see whether the website name what you want is already taken by someone else or it is available. Okay, so these are the domain names, like the .com, .in, .online, .net, .co, .in, .tech. Okay, and these are the prices of that. Okay, so if suppose I want a website something like akshaymaker.com, I'll first check. Okay, so whether this name is available or not. Okay, so it says domain is available, and this will also give me some other suggestions. Okay, so this is some of the other suggestions which are available. So this domain name is available. Okay, so if I'm searching for something like amazon.com, this won't be available because it is taken by the amazon.com. But let me just show you all. Okay, so it says domain is taken. Since this address belongs to amazon.com, we cannot take it, and this is not available. But there are some of the alternatives which are available. If you want, you can just select any of these if you want, or you can just change and see something else. Okay, so this is how first of all you have to see whether the domain name is available or not. If it is not available, you have to take something else, and if it is available, you can have it. Okay, so this is how you can take the domain name. And this is all about the introduction to the hosting. What is domain name, what is hosting, then how you can have your hosting and domain name, etc, etc. If you need any further help, just do one thing, click on the link associated with this video, and it will take you to one another video on my website, where you'll be able to see everything in detail. Okay, so thanks for watching.